Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero Projects. This powerful feature helps you manage client projects, track time, monitor budgets, and create invoices all in one place, making project management significantly more streamlined for your business. To get started, head over to Xero.com and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can start a free trial to explore the platform's capabilities. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to the Xero dashboard where you'll find the main navigation menu at the top of your screen. In the top navigation menu, click on Projects. This will give you access to Xero Projects, the dedicated space for managing all your client work. An expanded menu will appear with several options. From here, select All Projects to view your complete project list and begin setting up new work. Now it's time to create your first project. Click the New Project button and a drop-down selection will appear. From this drop-down, select Draft. This option allows you to build out your project structure before making it active, giving you time to add all the necessary details without pressure. You'll now need to fill in the core project information. Start by entering a contact that is associated with this project. This links the project to a specific client in your system, then type the project name, something clear and descriptive that you and your team will recognize. If the option appears, select the deadline or project timeline to keep everyone on track. Under the Estimate section, you have flexibility in how you set your budget. You can manually allot a budget amount, or you can use the Calculate from Tasks and Estimate Expenses checkbox. This second option is particularly useful as it automatically calculates your budget based on the tasks and expenses you'll add later. Below that, choose who can view this project from the available options. Public means anyone can access it, while private restricts access to only admin and assigned users who can see the project details. Once you've configured these settings, click Create to establish the project shell. The project will now appear in your project list, ready for you to add specific tasks and details. With your project created, it's time to define the actual work. Click Add and a drop-down selection will appear. Select Task to begin defining work items for the project. Type a task name that clearly describes what needs to be done and assign it to a team member if the assignment field is available. This helps distribute workload and clarify responsibilities across your team. One of Xero Projects' most valuable features is time tracking. Click Timer to track hours spent on any task. You'll need to enter project and task details, selecting which project and specific task you're working on. Once you've finished tracking time, confirm with Save. This data becomes incredibly useful when billing clients or analyzing project profitability. When you're ready to bill your client, click Invoices to create an invoice directly from the project. Xero gives you flexibility here. You can choose to bill by time, expenses, or fixed price depending on your agreement with the client. Follow the prompts to generate the invoice, review the details, and send it directly to the client from within Xero. Finally, as your project progresses, you'll need to update its status. Click on the 3 vertical dot icon to adjust the status of this project. You can move it from draft to in progress when work begins or mark it as closed when the project wraps up. This keeps your project list organized and gives you clear visibility into what's active and what's complete. And that's how you use Xero Projects to manage your client work from start to finish. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.